In front of me is DOOGEE Blade 20 Max, and today I would like to show you how you can set up face unlock. First of all, go into settings and scroll to click on this section called Security and Privacy. Now scroll again and tap on Device Unlock. Quick disclaimer, if you don't have screen lock on, you won't be able to add face data, so make sure you have one. And then tap on this section called Fingerprint and Face Unlock. Enter your current login method. Click on Face Unlock here and confirm your pattern or other login method again. Finally, you can click on Register Face at the top, tap on Next at the bottom, keep your face in frame and follow all of the instructions from your screen. When it's done, select OK, and then if you want to add another one, tap on Register Face here. Now, when I go back, switch off my screen, turn it back on and look at it. I can see that Face Unlock is working properly. If you want to manage one, go back to the same settings. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!